Hey, Hadi.
你好，坐下，
谢谢。你叫什么名字？
我叫 Hadi。
我叫啊，你叫什么名字？
我叫 Ardi，他是Dito。
阿基，知道。
呀，好。
你在那说的水的书，
我读亚洲大学，
好。
你读什么科系？
我是会计师。
会计系。
呀，会计师。
好。
你玩这个游戏吗？
好。
我们一起玩吧。
我们
抽吧。
好。
Ice cream.
Wow, yes, seems delicious.
Let's buy the ice cream. Let's go.
Go. Where is the ice cream truck, brother?
Yes. Where's the ice cream?
Hey, bro, what are you looking for? Huh?
Ice cream truck.
You
That's
hear
not
that
the
sound?
ice cream truck. That sound is not from the ice cream truck.
Yeah,
Adi
really?
was right. That was not ice cream truck. Let me show you guys some video.
Let's see.
Hey.
Good morning, viewers. ASEAN Culture News is back on the sidelines of your activity. With me, Muhammad Arif Nurrahman, will provide the latest and greatest news about the ASEAN culture. The headline news this time is about the culture that exists in Taiwan, where the country of Taiwan has been fighting against the waste problem for the 20 years. Okay, this time, the ASEAN Culture team has prepared a short video about the transformation of Taiwan over the past 20 years. Here is the video. And now, we are connected with experts who will explain the history of how Taiwan has solved the garbage problem. Okay, Dito, are we already connected? Can you explain with us about that history process?
Okay, thank you, Adi, from the Studio One. So, Taiwan was once known as a garbage island. In 1993, Taiwan had a collection rate for trash of just 7%. That means 30% of Taiwan waste entered the environmental either through littering or burning. Yellow garbage trucks blasting classical music collect trash several times a week. In Taiwan capital, Taipei, there are more than 4,000 pickup spots 5 nights a week. Using mobile apps, users can track the truck and alert them whenever a garbage truck is nearby. People will hurry out of their home when they hear the music and toss their garbage into the truck. Taiwan Recycle Fund collected 7 billion NT dollar in 2012, and Taiwan Recycling Reform have created new commercial opportunities for the companies. The companies focus on recycles, giving more benefit not only for the company but also for the government. Yeah, back to you, Arif.
Thank you, Dito, for your explanation. For now, our reporter, RD, from the Asian Culture team, is at the location where he will immediately cover the waste disposal process. RD, have you connected with me? Do you hear me? Can you tell us what's really going on there?
Yes, Arif, I can hear. Thank you. Thank you, Arif from Studio One. Now, back again with your favorite reporter, Ardi from Asian Culture. Now, we're gonna report some Taiwanese culture. There is a garbage truck. And we will find some local people to get some interview. Okay, follow me. Maybe we can ask him. Hello. Sorry. I'm Ardi.
Yeah.
你叫什么名字？
我叫 Yoga.
Oh, can I have your time for a while? I want to ask, what are you doing right now?
I'm still waiting for garbage truck, yellow truck.
Oh, so you wait for the garbage truck? I understand. So, what time the garbage truck will pass this area?
Only once a day. This is the culture of Taiwan.
Oh, once in a day.
Yeah, once in a day. Culture in Taiwan.
So what are you doing when the garbage truck is past this area?
Only throw the garbage into the garbage truck. Only that.
So
But-
you wait in front of the house or what?
Yeah. How? We
Okay.
must waiting in front of our
Mhm.
house, and the garbage truck will be go around the city. Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much
Yeah,
for
yeah.
your information.
Yeah,
You can
yeah.
waiting.
Bye bye.
Okay, that's all for this today report. And back to Arif at Studio One. Arif.
Okay, thanks RD for the information you provide. I hope this can be immediately by all countries that are still experiencing problem in the waste section, and hopefully the country of Taiwan can maintain and improve this good culture. Okay, that's all for this session. We'll back after this break with another information. Thank you and see you. Oh, it's the cool, bro. I'm so impressed with that.
Wow, this is the reason. The Taiwan is the cleanest country in the world. Wow,
Of course.
it's amazing.
Of course, this is Taiwan, bro.
Yeah.
People are in Taiwan is aware about the environment.
yeah.
Let us keep the environment and healthy. We throw the trash in the garbage.
Yeah.
Okay?
How,
Okay?
how.
Wow.